What's going on, everybody? What's going on, guys? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, guys, as you can see, I'm gonna be giving you top 10 jobs that actually allows you to work at the comfort of your home. In case you're home and you're doing nothing, probably you don't have a job, or maybe you're on leave from your job or something of that sort. There are so many reasons that might be keeping you home. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom. I'm gonna be giving you 10 ways you can make money. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The first way you can make money at home is to become a freelancer. A freelancer is somebody who can do so many things. Like, once you choose to be a freelancer, you have a variety of things you can do. It's called a freelancer because you are working anywhere. You can even work while you're traveling. There are so many things. For example, you can choose to be a video editor. You train yourself how to edit videos, and that's it. You're a professional video editor. You can also become social media consultant. You can do graphic designs, web designs, a lot of things. Like, there are so many things. There's a variety of things you can do as a freelancer, and there are sites that can actually pay you to do this. So if you choose to be a freelancer, you need to have Fiverr app. So you just go to Play Store and download Fiverr. You will get jobs there, and then you do them. You can also download Upwork. Usually it has so many gigs, so many jobs, and you're good to go. You can start with those two apps if you want to get jobs quickly. Another way you can make money at the comfort of your home is creating videos like I'm doing. So you can choose to become a YouTuber. All you need to do is look for time and create videos. At least 20 minutes is enough to create a 10 minutes long video or something. You don't need to create a super long video. The first step is to choose the niche you want to do. Choose the field that you want to do. You can be a cooking vlogger, and advice and tips, give us relationship advices, money advices, anything. If you think your life is interesting, you can also vlog your daily life. You can show us, review your things in your house. You can show us while you cook, while you wash your house, wash your utensils, something, just anything. Yeah, creating videos is so good. I've done all the things you need to have to become a YouTuber, so I'll put that link here, how to become a YouTuber. Another way you can make money at home is to become an online tutor. So online tutoring is such a good way to make money at home, and it's so good because you don't have to work the whole day. You're going to agree with your client or your student the amount of time they want you to teach, maybe 2 hours at most, and you're going to be charging them per hour. So for example, you have 2 students and you're doing 2 hours in a day. You're already good because per hour you can start with $10 or $20, and that's it. In a day, have at least 2 students and you're good. There are so many sites that are there to pay you to become an online tutor. For example, we have Udemy, we have Italki. This one pays you to actually teach people to speak Swahili. We also have Chegg, we also have Tutor Vista, Amazing Talker. There are so many. You can go and Google, guys. You cannot miss apps or sites that can actually pay you to become an online tutor. Okay, the next way you can make money is to become a transcriber. I have talked about transcription before, whereby you listen to an audio and then you type whatever words that are being said in that audio. It's such an easy way to make money, as long as you can have a free space in your room where nobody will disturb you, so that you can listen to that audio well. I have also given 6 sites that pay you to become a transcriber. So guys, watch my other videos and you will see those sites. I've also done so many videos on transcription, how to become a transcriber step by step. So guys, go and check that video out. Another way you can make money is through data entry jobs. All you need is a computer and you need to work with deadlines. So if you can work with deadlines at home and you have a computer, you have internet, that's enough. And so many people are making money through data entry jobs. Even the government gives this kind of jobs. So if you can teach yourself data entry, you're good to go. Another way to make money at home is to open an online shop. I have also talked about this. So when you open an online shop, you just look for products that you love to sell. For example, perfumes, clothes, shoes, handbags, anything you love to sell, and then open an online shop. You can open a shop on Instagram or on Facebook. I've done a full video on how to do this, so guys, you can go and check that video out. And then be selling products at the comfort of your home. You don't need to go anywhere, but definitely you will have to ship for people. So you can make one day of the week, for example Friday or Saturday, where you go and ship all the shipments, all the orders to people, or something of that sort. Make sure you put the shipping fee in your product so that you don't go at a loss. Definitely that one is automatic. Another way you can make money from the comfort of your home is through answering surveys. Of course, you guys know these survey sites usually send you questions, and then you answer all the questions, and that's it. You get paid. You don't have to answer the questions correctly. So all you need to do is to have these survey sites. And guys, I've always told you, surveys cannot be your full-time job. So this is just a side hustle, a passive way of getting money at home, maybe your credit or something. They can never actually pay your rent. If you're looking for a full-time job, please, surveys are not for you. Another way you can make money at home is through blogging. I know you guys have heard about blogging. You've seen people blog and make so much money. People are actually making money by blogging, and there are so many popular bloggers in Kenya. You can go and check Kina Edgar Obare and all those bloggers. They actually make a living with blogging, but you don't need to blog about the celebs or whatever. You can blog about so many things, anything that you love doing, maybe home decor. Maybe you can blog about feeding and healthy diets, healthy living, anything, fashion. And you can even open a YouTube channel for videos and then have a blog. Like, you can link your YouTube channel to your blog or something of that sort. You can have both a vlog and a blog. Blogs are here to stay. So if you want a very good and, you know, easy way to make money, start blogging and then put ads on your blog and you're good to go. I have done videos on how you can start to become a blogger step by step, so you can check that video out, guys. Another way you can make money is to become a social media influencer. So all you need to do is to be active on social media. For example, TikTok. Post videos on TikTok, and then with time you're going to get followers. Instead of just taking pictures and saving them in your phone, or taking videos, saving them in your phone, go and put those videos out for people to watch. Put those photos maybe on Instagram for people to like, and within no time you're going to get followers. And this is what makes you money now, the followers. Social media influencing is so good. If you're a fan of taking photos, taking, you know, pictures, it doesn't matter if it's yourself or the nature or cooking, food, anything. You can do so much on that and post. You're going to get money, guys. I've done a video on that also, so go and check those videos out. How to make money as a social media influencer. I can assure you, social media influencing has a lot of money because brands are going to be attracted to you, and this is how now you'll start making money. There are so many ways you can make money from home. Those are just a few. In case you have more, guys, comment down below, give us more ideas. In case you have any question, also ask in the comment section. I'll definitely be answering you as always, guys. I love to interact with you, so comment down below and tell me anything you think about this video. Also, if you've reached this point, like this video, like and share in case it was useful. It might be useful to somebody else, and definitely I will appreciate if you do that. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. In case you've not subscribed, subscribe so that you won't miss on my other content. Yeah, until next time, I hope to see you guys in my next video. That's it for today's. Bye.